In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a golden signature style text animation in After Effects. By the way, you can download this After Effects project file from the link in the description, and it's absolutely free for you. So make sure you download and practice by your own. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's create a new composition. And these are my composition settings. First, I select a text tool and write our text. For your reference, I'm using this font. You can download this font from the link in the description below. So let's align this text in a center, and then I pre-compose this layer as text, and then I lock this layer. After that, I'm going to trace this text by using the pen tool. So I select the pen tool and make sure your fill is turned off, and then make sure your stroke is on. Let me change the stroke width to 10 pixels. Also, I change the color as red to get a contrast. After that, I start making a path over this text. And if you can see, I'm using a single path shape for entire word so that we can animate it together. So once you've done this job, I renamed this layer as Reveal Line. And then I search a cap option. And under the stroke, you will find two options: line cap and line joint option. So let me change the meter joint to round joint. And then I change butt cap to round cap to make smoother curves of this path. And after that, I'm going to animate this text. So to animate this text, I'm going to use a trim path. I open the trim path properties. And here I change the end value, so you can see how it will animate. So I set the end value to 0. And then I add a keyframe at the first frame, and then I go to the 4th second mark and change the end value to 100%. And now I can increase the width of our stroke. Make sure it covers text completely. After that, I search another option called Taper. Simply open the taper properties, and under this, you will find the start length if I increase this value, so you can see our text stroke taper from the start, and if I increase the end length, so taper, start from the end, so I change the end length value to 100%. And then I go back to the first frame and add a keyframe. Then I go to the 4-second mark and change the end length to 0. So you can see how it will animate. Now we can unlock the text layer. And then I select the text layer and change its track matte to Reveal Line layer. And now can see how our text is animated, like it's handwritten animation. And you can speed up this animation by adjusting the keyframes. And now it's time to stylize this text. So I create a new adjustment layer for that. And then I go to Effects and Preset Panel, and I search CC Glass Effect, and then I add it to this layer. Let's see the settings. So first, under the surface, I change the height to 10. It will give a polished look. Then I search another effect called CC Blobberize. Then I add it to this layer, and now you can see it's already looking a metallic look. In the settings, I open the blobbiness properties, and under it, I change the softness to 18, and also change the cutaway value to 27. Now it's looking a perfect metallic text. But right now, it's not looking like a gold or golden text, so for that, I search a tritone effect and then add it to this layer. And in the settings, I change the highlights color palette. So put the exact hex code which I shown on the screen and click OK. Then I change the midtones. Once again, put the exact hex code in the color panel to get the exact look. Do the same with shadow. Right now, it's not looking like a golden text. But wait, we are not done yet. So I am going to add one last magical effect. So I go to the Effects and Preset panel and search a glow effect. And then I am going to add it to this layer. And you can see the magic. Our text is almost looking like a golden text. To make it perfect, I go to the settings, and here I change the glow radius around 45, and now it looks perfect. But if I play the preview so you can see, it will look like a fading text, not looking a handwritten animation. So let me show you how to fix that. Simply open the CC Globalize properties, and under it, change the property as alpha. And now if I play the preview so you can see, our problem is fixed. So that's how you can create golden signature text animation in After Effects. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.